Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Trollex character. This time it's gonna be the awesome looking Trollex. And here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a very strange looking character. To begin, we're going to draw the overall head shape first. So we're going to draw in one big, almost like an egg shape on its side. It's a little bit flatter on the top. Alright, and then from there, for the features inside, we're going to draw his nose first. Just come right to the middle of this this little egg shape. Just draw one little curve like this. That's going to be the shape of his nose. So that's going to be right in the middle. And then from here, we can draw in his eyes. So here's the middle. Just come over and draw in 2 little circles. So it's going to be right on the corner of the nose. Okay, and then we're going to draw in his eyeball inside, just closer to the inside right here. Just draw another circle. And let me shade that in real quick so we can see a little bit better. Okay. All right, and then for it's really cool looking unibrow right here. It's coming right in the center. Just curve it right over the eyes. And then once we have that curve, just give it some thickness. Just round out the corners. Okay, and then for his mouth, really simple. Just come out and draw in a big smiley face first. We're gonna have his mouth open. And then the side here, we'll bracket down. And then same thing on the bottom here, just close it off. All right, and then for his teeth inside, just come out here, just draw one line first, and then go up. And then from the corner here, just go out and then just go up. Okay, so that's his head, and now for his hair, it's got some details up here. I'm not sure what they are. Just come up right here. Okay, so just draw a little tube right here. And then there's gonna be two sections to this. So just go up and draw another one, slightly smaller. And let's divide them up. It's got some details here. I'm just gonna draw, let's see, two lines on each side. And then the last one, just draw it closer to the edge. Okay, and then for the hair, it's really simple. Start right in the center here. Just gonna curve up and then come back down. So it's just gonna be one tube. And then let's go on the other side now. We'll go up. Okay, so those are gonna be the center ones. And then let's come out and draw in the one on the sides. Just curve. Again, same thing, just come back. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, it's just hair strands. But we're just drawing the center and the sides first, and then we'll fill in everything in the middle. So now let's, from the middle of this, let's draw another one, just go up. Just curl it down. And it's gonna be behind these. Let's just draw one more right here. Okay, so from the center. For this one, we can make it a little bit longer. Just kind of tuck it right behind that one. Okay, so if you want to draw more, you can go ahead and draw more in the back. But we'll just keep it simple. I'll just leave it like that. Okay, and then for his ear, he's got those two, I don't know what they are. They look like some kind of headpiece. So on the side right here, let's draw a little bracket. Just a little egg shape right behind the head. And then for the side of the ears right here, just come up, draw a little angle like this first, slant up, come down, and go straight across. And then now for the bottom, just kind of come down and then just add these little steps all the way down. There should be 3 of them. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's the head, and then now for the body. Again, the body is very strange as well. We're gonna start right here. You make 2 little marks. That's gonna be where his shoulder is gonna be. And then we're just gonna taper it in all the way down to his waist. It's gonna come down and flatten it out right here. And then let's go ahead and draw in his arms, and then we'll draw in, well, I guess his legs down here. So here's the armpit. From the shoulders right here. Just one smooth curve coming down, and then for the inside. And then we'll close that off because he's got those kind of rainbow bands all the way around his arm. Okay, and then for his fists, hook down for his little thumb. Here's the back of the fist. And then just round it out, tuck it in right underneath the thumb. Alright, so same thing here, shoulder, come down, inside, and then close it off. Same thing here, for the thumb, just hook it, back of the fist, just round it out. Alright, and we can draw in the little heart in the middle. This one's pretty simple. We can draw in just 2 lines like this first. And then right in the middle, just dip it down. And then come down with a little bracket like this. Hook it in. And then we're going to draw these steps again. Just one more and then very tip on the ends. Alright, so now for his very strange looking legs. So this is gonna curve up or curve out. So we'll flare this out pretty wide. Okay, and then come to the center here. Just gonna draw a line. And then now I'm gonna draw these steps coming down. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then now we're gonna start on this side. Just angle down and then 1 step. Come to right around here. So angle and then 1 step. And then now whatever space you have, just one little bar coming down. Okay, so now we have to draw in some details right here. So we're just gonna follow this line here. Draw a slightly longer line and just add these steps, go all the way down. It's almost like a border. And then lastly, we'll add in some of these little blocks right here. They're almost like pixels, so just little dots going up. And then there's 2 more up here. And I almost forgot, if you want to add in these lines for his arms, for the rainbow colors, we can just divide them up. Okay, so just divide it like this first. And then come in and just divide it up again. And that is it for this Trollex. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.